Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and this will be a desert on Off-Road Outlaws money chat, or I should say hack, kind of. It's like a cheat. There is boxes at these spots that I stop and pull up the map at least 90% of the time, and that is one way to get easy money for building cars and doing stuff on Off-Road Outlaws. And if you need gold boxes, there's usually some scattered along there in the middle. So like and subscribe and enjoy the content. Thanks for watching the video, guys, and make sure to like and subscribe for some more awesome content, and comment down below if you think this was a good thing to add to the channel, and if I should do some more videos like this, like how to build a nice Baja truck or something, and I will be glad to do so. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you.